Hi, today we are going to learn how to use the zoom option in Microsoft Edge browser. Open a Microsoft Edge from taskbar, click on settings and more option, and here we can see zoom option, and we can see here the minimum it can take up to 25%, and also maximum it can take around 500%. So we can click now. It has went up to 27% zoom. Okay, and now we can click on plus option now. We can see now it has taken up to 500%. So we can go now as a standard format. Now we have made it as 100%, and also here we can click on enter full screen mode. Okay, if we click on this option, it will take to the entire browser into full screen mode. If you want to exit, press function F11. It will come to the previous page. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos, and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.